Brother Iska, shout out to you. This is your say to me, I will inquire. They have chocolate donut 85, 135 double chocolate pecan bar, and Valentine's donut is 105. That's it. So this is it. 145 for uh, sticky cinnamon bun, and 65 for everything bagel, and 80 for choro crema catalan, and Belgian wapelo is 145. So that is the prices, and this is the cake of Brother Iska. That's it. We have 255. Yeah, the whole, and that's it, Brother Iska. Then I will go to the store for inquire for the uh, what else, the tablet for your saying to me in our lifestyle. So I will follow the person in Starbucks. Yeah. Starbucks.
Ano siya sir, naka 1 terabyte niya, naka 16 RAM. Goods na kayo niya siya, kaya kusog na sa diyang signal, mabutangan niya siya SIM card sir, dual SIM card. Pwede sa siya ka rin yung memory.
Brother Iska, that is the tablet you are seeing. I want to inquire there. The price is, ma'am, the back. This is brother 3,599. So what else? In the dollar, this is almost $80. Yeah, 3,599 brother for the prices. How much is phone, brother? Much better it's phone.
Ito niya siya. Tapos, naka 6 RAM na niya siya, sir. 5,000 ang battery niya, o naka 14 ang processor.
Asay mas better nila duha sa tablet.
Mas better niya, sir.
Mas better, brother, yung phone according to the sales lady, between the what else, tablet and the cell phone. This is the Tecno. So what do your choice for me, brother? The tablet or the cell phone? Thank you, mama. Isend na ako ni saya, ha. Balik ka na.